is the way to go in life. Can't go anywhere without these guys. What I like about these is that they got the heat, but it's kind of like gringo heat.
So we're deseeding right now everything because this is for our fire roasted green.
Mm-hmm.
And they literally deseed everything, we devein everything, you know.
As so.
Cut. You just have to be careful because the juices start to come out and then it goes into your eye and then it's the worst.
Yeah, I've had that multiple times. When I started blending all this stuff together. One time it was the salsa borracha, and that has like a lot of habaneros in there. So one time I was blending, and then the salsa kicked up, went straight into my eye, and my face was in that sink trying to wash it out for the longest time. My ultimate favorite pepper. The hottest we use, but also the most flavorful. So these are very essential to getting that wonderful taste. Habaneros are probably like the furthest we're gonna go with heat because we're not the kind of salsas that like to burn people's brains out. We don't do any ghost peppers, Carolina Reapers, none of that stuff. We want you to taste the salsas, not challenge each other of who can take the hottest stuff here. Serranos are, I'd say that they're like my third favorite. They got a lot of flavor in them. They're just a little bit more of a hassle to DC because they're so skinny. We cut their heads off. This is where like the most heat comes from, is the top. So we give you a little, for the borracha, we take a little bit of the heat out for you.
Right now what I'm doing is just roasting our jalapeños, our serranos for our green. I wish you could smell this. When you roast jalapeños, it just, oh my gosh. The smell is beautiful.
There's something about the art to charring. This is what to me makes the salsas, this process right here. All the flavor, the texture, the look, everything, it's all here.
Remember when we first started roasting them, I had to tell James, I'm like, you have to just not be afraid of the fire. I don't know, and then there's like a connection to earth and ancestry too. Just thinking of like the ancestors and the way they cook.
Lots of flavor here. And when you roast them like this, they kind of ooze out like a paste. Nothing like that right there. Right there. Yeah. The smell of cooked habanero was one of my favorite smells. Never thought I'd hear myself saying that because growing up, I wasn't really a spicy food kind of person. Even through college, I kind of would choose to omit spice in my food. I think it wasn't until I moved to Los Angeles and I started having like real tacos and real heat with those tacos, I really started getting like a love for hot food and salsa in general. So, but habanero, if I had it my way, I'd have this all the time. This stuff is so good, but maybe just slightly de-seeded. And that's it. Welcome home. Salsas, welcome home.